You will remember that a few weeks ago we did a lesson on verbs and they were doing words, and the way that we found our doing word in the sentence was by asking the question, can I? Now today we are doing nouns, and that means we are going to be asking some other questions. The questions that we are going to be asking today have to do with what a noun is. And I always tell my children that a noun is a naming word. Okay, so it tells me the name of a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, so I'm going to ask the questions who, what, and where. Now some sentences will only have one or two nouns in it, but other sentences will have all three kinds of nouns in it. So let's look at some examples. The first example is Jerry ran away. And this sentence has the name of a person, right? So I'm going to ask the question, who? Jerry, does that answer my question? Yes. So my noun is Jerry. Let's just look for interest's sake at the other words. Who ran? That doesn't tell me anything. Who away? That also doesn't answer my question. Let's look at the next sentence. He saw a book. I can ask who, but there's no name in that sentence. So I'm going to ask the question, what? He, what? What? Saw? What? What? A book. That is a noun. It is the name of a thing. Alright? So my noun in this sentence is book. It is the name of a thing. Let's do one last example. He went to the library. Okay? I am going to ask the question where for this sentence. He went to the library. Library is a place, so that tells me that library is a noun. It's the name of a place. Alright, now the last sentence that teacher has on her board has all three kinds of nouns in it. So let's start with the first question, who? Jerry. Okay, so that is my who. Jerry the giraffe lives in the zoo. Jerry is the name of the person. The next question is what? Let's see what answers the question what. Jerry the giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe tells me that it is a thing, right? So that is another noun. And the last question I'm going to ask is where? So Jerry the giraffe lives in the zoo. Zoo tells me where. Zoo is the name of a place. Right, so in this sentence, let's see how many nouns we had. 1, 2, 3. And as I read the sentence, every time you see a noun, I want you to clap your hands. Let's do it together. Jerry the giraffe lives in the zoo.